Okay, so on page 60 in our Pink Math Journal, now we have input-output tables. Okay? And all the values are already filled in. Okay? So now you have to write the function. Okay? And I think that we should just probably trade it out and put the word function here. You're going to write the function of the table or the rule. Okay? So what is the rule for this table? What are they doing every time? What are they doing to the M to get the number in? It's like a machine. I'm going to put a number in, and it's going to follow this rule, and another number is going to pop out. What are they doing each time? They're not multiplying. 4 times 6 is 24, but 1 times 6 is not 21. What is the rule? Shh. Raising our hands. What's the rule here? Marin.
They're
Adding 20. So M plus 20 equals N. And you want to make sure that it's true every time. 4 plus 20 is 24. 1 plus 20 is 21. 10 plus 20 is 30. So this is a one-step rule, which is much easier than a two-step rule, right? Okay, what is our rule over here? What are we doing to E to get F every time? Okay, so this is our function or our rule. Rowan. Okay, but how do we write it? Do I write it like this? What should I do? I should not put that in, write it like that. What do I do, Rowan? Well, we could do that. But usually the input has to be equals F because F is the output.
E times 6 equals.
I'm not going to write it like this. How do I write it? What is this? Is that a variable or a time sign? So how do I write it to make it clear? You guys are forgetting. You guys already forgot. Lindy? Hey guys, quit yelling. Lindy? There's not plus. It's times 6 is the rule. Marin?
You write the word time.
No. They did not write the word times right here. All right, McKenna, I'm believing in you.
It's 6 times E equals F. Oh, I know.
How do I write it?
I actually know this time.
How do I write it? Not plus. Landon?
Is it E? Is it E equals?
Nope. Stella.
E times 3 plus 6 x equals F?
There's no X. We're not going to use an X. There's no X.
Wait, you can say there's no addition either.
No, there's no X. AJ.
6 or times.
No.
What the? F equals 6. The inverse. Oh yeah. X plus E.
No.
I know.
All right, one more.
E plus 6 equals F.
Nope. Here's how we write it. We don't write it like this.
That took forever.
6E equals F.
Wow.
Okay? Look, 3X meant 3 times X. A letter next to your variable means to multiply. Make sure that 6
I'm so confused.
Okay, I need us to not yell out. This is a change. Your whole life you have used X to be multiplication. Okay? 6E equals F means 6 times E. So whatever 6E is, which is 7, okay, pay attention, guys. 6E equals F. So if E is equal to 7, then it is 7 times 6 equals F. Okay, that's what we just spent all that time doing, but it was just, it looks different. It's weird. Why do we not put that X there? Why don't we use the multiplication symbol?
I know.
Carter.
Because we don't. I actually have a question.
Okay, why don't we use the multiplication symbol?
Because a function is a rule that defines a relationship between two variables.
Why don't we use the multiplication symbol? Dane.
It's
Why? Cordelia.
Because you don't think it's a letter?
It looks like a variable. The X looks like a variable. Okay, this is called algebra. Okay? When you guys take NWEA every year, there is a strand on that called algebraic thinking. Okay, I cannot out-talk you. I'm just one person. Every year, every time we take it, the algebraic thinking part is one of our lowest scores. Well, that makes a lot of sense because you're in 4th grade and you haven't done a lot of algebra. But when you get to algebra and algebraic thinking, this is going to be a question on your NWEA. They're going to have something that might say 6E or 7X or 2A. And you're going to have to know that that means multiply. That means you multiply 2 times whatever A is. And then you're going to see some growth in your NWEA because that's a new skill that you didn't have before. Look, I'm still recording. Okay. All right. Take a minute and